the next thing is we're just talking about the confidence, the endpoints of the confidence interval. So the endpoints of the confidence interval is going to be the d bar, which is the average of the differences, plus or minus the t of the significance, the t value of the significance, right? So in this case, it's going to be t sub alpha divided by 2, because we're talking about two tails on this one. In this case, they asked, this is a different problem. This problem is, it's the same problem, but it's a different question. It's on page 484. And they say, hey, what is the tails, what is the interval for mu1 sub minus mu2 with a 90% significance? Okay? And in this case, they're talking about, I think they're talking about of the null. That's the only thing I can kind of get from it, because it's, they're saying 90% significance, so that means we're going to have two tails. And so those two tails, we got to divide that 10%. Remember, this is a 10%. We're just looking at the t value of 10%. So really, the d bar is, we had already found, right, was 0.66 plus or minus the t value of the significance of a t value of 0.1 divided by 2, right? So when we're talking about 10%, we're actually talking about a t value of 0.05, right? So when we look that value up for the t value of 0.05, we get 1.833. So you get 1.833 times the standard deviation, which we had already found to be 4.711, or no, 443, sorry, 0.443 divided by the square root of 10. And when you plug this in your calculator, how many answers should you get? Yeah, when you have a plus or minus, it's going to give you two answers. That's your interval. So you're going to get 0.40 to 0.92. You get two different answers here. One 0.66 plus 1.83 times 0.1443 over the square root of 10, and one is going to be 0.66 minus 1.833 times 0.443 divided by the square root of 10. And that's what's really nice with those TI-84s, is you can plug it in one way, hit enter, there's your answer, you'll get 0.4, and then you plug it in with the minus sign, you get your answer, 0.92. Okay, so that gives you your interval, what's going on with your interval for 90% significance.